LearnNLimers, welcome back to our channel, and today we're doing a special collaboration with Kiki's Kitchen, and here I have my special guest.
Hi Limers, my name is Zaylon.
I'm SKYLER.
Good job! Today we're going to be making oxtail
And tacos.
Good job. So can we go over some of the things that we have here today?
We have lettuce, we have mozzarella cheese and cheese. We have soft shells tacos, and we have hard shell tacos.
And most
we have some
importantly,
cut.
We had to make everything.
Yeah, we did. Most importantly, we've got some cut up oxtail. If you guys want to learn how we made this, we're going to leave the link below down to Kiki's Kitchen, and she will show you how to make a delicious oxtail recipe. Let's get started.
And we have some tomatoes.
Oh yeah, tomatoes.
Oh.
Alright guys, so if using sharp utensils, please make sure you have adult supervision. So go ahead, bud. Let me just cut off the top of this. And we're going to dice it up, right? Alright, let me get a piece for Sky.
Where's the other tomato? And make sure you have adult supervision.
I've chosen a hard taco, and we've got a soft one for Skyler, which clearly is already starting to enjoy. How would you like to layer your tacos? Do you want to do meat first?
I want to do cheese.
Okay, so this one is a cheddar. Let me open it for you.
Nom, nom.
Just cut it and make life easy. Alright, so go ahead and pour some of that in your shell. Just a little bit, don't too careful.
I might.
Like a lot of cheese for, okay, here we go. What are we gonna put in there next, bud?
Some lettuce. Some mustard cheese.
Maybe some lettuce.
Sky. Don't pour that. Okay, that works. Thanks. So you're gonna put some mozzarella. Okay. Who's next? Some lettuce. Oh wow, you gotta have space in there for the meat.
And then get some oxtail.
Put it on your own plate, Sky.
Remember to some lettuce. Lettuce.
Throw that in. Sky, put it in your own plate. You have your own taco. What do you want in your taco, bud?
It's a tortilla.
Oh, soft shell. Sky, what do you want in yours? You want some tomato?
I want some tomato in mine.
Yeah, pick it up.
And I am done. So Skyler is gonna get help by his mom.
What's this?
A little bit of that. Go ahead, take a bite.
It's a bite.
How is it?
Not
Good.
Did you make a good taco?
Yeah.
mm.
There you go.
Mm. Delicious.
Sky, can we roll yours up? No? You're gonna eat it like that? That's fine. How does it taste?
Yummy.
Okay guys, so tacos, what do we think? Thumbs up or down?
No.
What are you thinking? I think you like it, you made it. Thumbs up, okay. Good job, guys. You wanna finish that first? Okay. Alright. Take a break. This one, I'll eat that just so. And starve the children all day.
And once we're done, we're gonna do part 2.
Yes.
You need help, Skyler? To make a burrito? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.
And
Don't forget to subscribe to Kiki's cooking channel.
The link will be down below in the description box. And always remember, the sky is the limit. Thanks for watching.
Bye. And don't forget to subscribe